Problem 13. A paper triangle with 3, 4, 5 as their sides as shown is folded so that A falls on B. What is the length in inches of the crease? So when you want to fold it, well, visually understanding it, well, obviously you're going to crease it. So it's going to go boom right here. But where's that crease? Well, the crease is not going to be right here. It's not going to cross through C because, obviously that's going to create too big. So it has to be, somewhere like right here, right? Just from visual inspection alone, because then it's a symmetry. We map this over to here. And so that becomes this, this region is equal to this region. That's the idea. So basically we have the crease. We're trying to find the length of this one. That's a bit hard to see. Does this help? That's much better. So how do you find this side length? Well, understand that this is a right angle. Well, this is a right angle. Well, we have similar triangles, just like that. We have this angle to be shared, and obviously if this were to be 2 dashes, then this is also 2 dashes. And so we can solve for now, because we know if I call this some more sides, let's call this D, let's call this E, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. And so we can establish ratios of their side lengths. First thing to note is that if we were to draw this helping line, then that obviously is a perpendicular bisector for an equilateral for an isosceles triangle. And so this side is 5/2, and this side is 5/2. And we also know, what else do we know? We also know that 3, 4, 5 is the length, so we can solve for the crease, right? Because that's an unknown side. So we have to solve for the crease. So we have to have DE within the fraction. Now, what is another side length that we know? We know AE. So let's relate that with AE. Now, what is the similar? DE is similar to BC, and AE is similar to AC. So that means we know that the side length of DE, or the crease, is going to be equal to BC over AC, right, times AE. Now, what is going to be AE? AE, we just told you, is 5/2, right? Perpendicular bisector. BC is the same thing as 3. AC is the same thing as 4. So what is 3/4 times 5/2? That is 15/8. So 15/8 is answer choice D.